Do I have good insurance? Here's what you need to know. There's two types of policies. There's an ACV policy, which means actual cash value. And then there's an RCV policy, which means replacement cost value. How do you find that out? Well, you contact your local agent and you ask them these questions. But here's the biggest difference. Let me break it down to you. Let's say you have a $20,000 roof and all of a sudden one day a storm blows through and rips off half of the roof. If you have a RCV policy, replacement cost value, that means that the roof came off. The insurance company says, yep, we agree. You had damage to the roof. We're going to pay you $20,000 less your deductible. So if you have a $5,000 deductible, they're going to take off the $5,000 and then they're going to give you the remaining $15,000 that it takes to put a roof on. ACV policy, way different. Same exact example. Tornado comes through, rips the roof off. You have shingles all over the house and everywhere. You need a new roof. The insurance company comes out and says, yep, you need a new roof. It's $20,000. However, you have an ACV policy, actual cash value. So we're going to say, oh, your roof, is 15 years old. You got 15 years out of a 20-year roof. We're going to come up with this formula that says, well, because you got 15 years out of this roof, we're going to basically take your $20,000 roof claim and we're going to say that you have a $3,500 worth of life left in the roof. Oh, and by the way, we're going to take off your $5,000 deductible. Yes, we agree that you need a new roof, but we're not going to give you a penny for it. And those policies are out there. Those policies are typically the ones that you see on television, right? That have the big, marketing budgets and they have, celebrities on it. Those policies are out there. So know what you're getting. Hire a broker and say, hey, I need new insurance, but I want to make sure that I have replacement cost benefits written into my policy. I want to make sure that I have code upgrades written into my policy. There's a big difference out there in insurance types and you get what you pay for, unfortunately. No one told me that. Hopefully you learned something here today.